Hi, this is James from tracingmat.co.uk, and I'm here with my Blackberry 9700, and I thought I'd just give you a very quick demo of some of the main features and applications that I tend to use on the Blackberry. With the Blackberry being one of the world's best-selling smartphones, and it's still growing, I just thought I'd show you what, if you were thinking of getting a Blackberry, what you can expect. A lot of people tend to think that all the BlackBerry's good for is email and that sort of thing, but you'd be surprised, because you can certainly do probably most things on the BlackBerry that you can do on other platforms. So let's have a quick look. So here on the home screen, as you can see, there's 6 icons at the bottom, and you can change those to suit whichever ones you want on there. This folder here, I tend to keep all my applications that I use on a daily basis. First off, we'll have a quick look at Windows Live Messenger, which, much the same as on the computer, you can obviously instant message people. You can also sort of add smiley faces, that sort of thing. It's much the same as on the PC, but this is obviously just the mobile version. It works a treat. Very similar is Blackberry Messenger. Again, this is an instant messaging client, but you can only get this on the Blackberry. Again, it works exactly the same. You send your messages, send your files, photos, that sort of thing. There's also BlackBerry groups on here, so if you join a group, basically you have as many members that join the group, and there's just one ongoing chat, so you can just jump in and chat with the other members in the group at any time. It's a great way of sort of making new sort of virtual friends, I suppose. Next here I've got an application called Nimbuzz, and basically what this does, this integrates lots of instant messaging clients. As you'll see here on the right, I've got the Facebook logo. That's because I only use Nimbuzz for Facebook chat, so I can instant message my Facebook buddies. But I could incorporate Windows Live Messenger into this if I wanted to, also Twitter, Yahoo Messenger, MySpace, that sort of thing. But for whatever reason, I only use this for Facebook chat. Speaking of Facebook, we've got the BlackBerry Facebook application, which is absolutely fantastic. Much the same as on the other platforms. Obviously you can do your updates, you can upload photos, videos, search for friends, all the usual stuff. Probably one of the best features about this is that when you get a notification, you don't get an email telling you you've got a notification like you do on most other platforms. What happens with the BlackBerry is you get a notification on the BlackBerry telling you that you've got a message or what have you on Facebook, and when you click on it, it takes you straight into the Facebook app. So it just saves a bit of time by not having to go and read an email first. I absolutely love it. Then we've also got a Twitter application. I tend to use Uber Twitter, which is a free application, but there's plenty of other ones out there. BlackBerry have also got their own one, which I think is in beta testing at the moment. I do have it on here, but I tend to not to use it, so I prefer Uber Twitter. But like on the computer, you can do pretty much the same thing. Do your tweets, find friends. You can add pictures, videos, symbols, URLs, that sort of thing. Yeah, it's a good application. You can set it to auto refresh every minute, every 5 minutes, whenever you like, really. Or you can just do what I do and have it refresh each time you open the application. The other thing I'll show you quickly is the BlackBerry App World, and this is where you download BlackBerry applications from. Now, it's certainly not on par with the Apple App Store or Android or Windows Marketplace, but it's not bad. There's categories here at the bottom where you can search for. You can have a look at the sort of top 3 applications. There's also the top 25 paid applications, and there's a search button there, or you can actually have a look at the categories. Which again is fairly straightforward, but it makes it nice and easy to find things if you're looking for something in particular. So there you go. And last but not least, I think I will show you some media on the BlackBerry. Now, if you're going to buy a BlackBerry, you're probably not going to buy it for its media capabilities, although it does actually do it pretty well. Let's have a look at some pictures here. Oh, there's 2 emails coming in. Sample pictures. So like on most phones, it's a case of scrolling left and right to have a look at your pictures. You can zoom in on them as well, that sort of thing. It's not bad. We've got videos here. So as well as obviously having a video recorder on the BlackBerry, you can also put movies on here from your computer, that sort of thing. You know, the 9700 and most of the Blackberries, excluding the Storm and Storm 2, haven't got the biggest screen, so whether you'd want to watch a full movie on here, I don't know, but you know, if you want to, you can do. And let's have a look at one here.
Around the target building. No one gets in or out. Extraction force. Lieutenant Colonel McKnight's Humvee column was driving to the city at 1547 on Howard Road and hold just short of the Olympic Hotel here.
So I don't know how well you can see that, but it's a pretty good picture. It's nice and bright, nice and vibrant. If you did want to watch a movie, you could do. Last but not least, we've got music on here. Let's see. Like most phones, when you go to music, you tend to see the album artwork, that sort of thing. And the sound quality is not bad for the speaker. I mentioned about the album artwork, just typical that I chose a song that didn't have any album artwork. But there you go. Yes, that was a bit embarrassing that I've just shown you that I've got Hannah Montana on my BlackBerry, but I can assure you it's for my daughter's benefit and not mine. So that's the main things that I use my BlackBerry for. If you didn't know, the BlackBerry can do all those things. You do now. You know, if you were thinking of getting a BlackBerry, weren't too sure, hopefully this has helped a little bit. You know, if you haven't, and also if you haven't read my review of the 9700, please do so. I'll put a link in the text with this video.